Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subscribe on Disney Plus website. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go and type at this URL section, disneyplus.com, and hit the enter button. That will actually take you into this page unless you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account. If that's the case, so you will need to go and click at sign up now on your screen. Of course, you will find this at the middle of your screen, and you'll need to provide them with your email address and phone number, and of course you'll need to verify them both by the code that they will send you. Then you will be able to create your account. Of course, if you just want to log in, you can click at login at the top right corner at your screen and then give them or provide them with your phone number that you already entered to create your account, and they will send you a code again. Of course, just enter the code that they will send you and you will be good to go. So once you did one of those, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. Of course, from here, you would like to open your profile, or you can just like add one if you don't want to go to your profile, or maybe that's other one profile, like someone else on this account's profile. Of course, for me, I'm just going to enter to this profile. And as you can see, that will be actually your home or your main screen on the platform. So of course, you'll be able to watch all of those if you are subscribed to the platform. How so? Simply, you will need to go at the top left corner and you will find an option called upgrade. Just go and click on that. And as you can see, I am already like subscribed to with them with the monthly plan. Of course, I can upgrade and even subscribe with the yearly plan, but I don't want to. So simply, for you, you will find the same option. Just go and click on it, enter your card information, and confirm it, and you will be good to go, and you will be subscribed to this platform. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.